rules of the game. There, that's the last piece of Thomas's super awesome obstacle course. Whoa! I can't wait. Let's test it out. Wait. I haven't said the rules. First, you could go on a zigzag. Go back and forth super fast. Then let out some steam into the boss of dreams. Whoa! Here comes the best part. Is the super duper ring of fire jump. It's the super duper long jump. Then jump over the truck trap and the fire trap. Whoa! And here comes the very best part. It's the super duper crane jump. See? Cool. Now if you know the rules, let the fun begin. Woohoo! Wow. Hang on a second, Rebecca. That confused it. This what? Thanks, Loco. This is neat. Rebecca, you're supposed to zig and zag, not in a straight line. I don't think I can do that. Percy? You can totally do it. Go. That's so high. Hang on a second. This should help. There, I call Percy perfect. But Percy, jump! Jump! That's how you do it, Nia. Oh no, is the truck trap too big to jump over? No, but it could play inside. No, Nia, you're doing it all wrong. Thomas, I don't know about this box. Just pop and go backward. You love it. A day has been fallen off the rails. What was that, Thomas? This is all my fault. I didn't know how to learn the rules. Let's show you again. Just hold on to my coupler. Okay. Whoa! It's so twisty and turning. Stop, Thomas. It was fun. Not fun to me. To jump, Nia. You just gotta believe in yourself, Nia. Be the jump. Be the jumper. Got it? Yeah, I am the jump. I am the jump. Splash. What is that? Yeah, I just really like trucks. But you need to like all the right way even more. Watch me again. I guess I'll have to get out of here. Woohoo! See, Nia? Nia? Hey, where did everyone go? Train tag. Not for long. Yeah. Nice move. Everyone, you're fine. I don't want everyone to play with me. This is just a super duper long jump. It's the super duper longy jump. Haha. Wasn't that awesome? The obstacle course is still open, everyone. Want to come back? Why? We're having way more fun here. More fun? But my course has zigs and zags and bosses and jumps in. Those things are gonna be fun for you. Sorry, Thomas. That's the delivery whistle. We're gotta go. Why didn't they like my course? Come on, Thomas. Watch me now. Go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back. Thomas, you don't beep beep a beep while settling the music. What's wrong with the beep beep a beep? It's a fun. I don't think I doesn't want the beep. Forgetting for the big beep a beep. Oh, sorry, Logo. Hi, Thomas. Hi. You didn't peep into the boss. Are you okay? Loco doesn't want me to peep on this delivery. But listen to this. Yay. You can totally do that. Looks like we can't do it anything. Remember that obstacle course this morning? That's what everyone left. Are you scared of this big hill? Yes, I know. So going over it isn't fun for you. Yes, I know. Which means you didn't like my jump because it's just like a big hill. Yes, I know. So the super duper jump probably felt super duper jumped and lousy. Oh, Purse, I didn't mean it was you. It wasn't just me. Huh? See you, Thomas. Percy, wait! You can do it. You can do it. Hey, Rebecca. Thomas, I really need to focus right now. These curves are tricky. All right. Like in a zigzag zone. These curves must have tricky for you too. They are. Hey, Rebecca. I really... Bye, Thomas. I'm sorry. Wait. Woohoo! Truck Trap was awesome. That feels good on the orange things. Oh, that's how you catch jumping in the truck, so instead of over it. I know what I did wrong. I made the best rules for it, but everyone has their own ways of having fun. But I know how to get things back on track. Hi everyone! I have a great surprise for you at the obstacle course. Come check it out. I want to paint by yellow paint. Yeah, and I had to paint it. I had to fill up with coal. Pretty please get a tube of azo grease on top. It's okay, Thomas. Let's go see the surprise. Ta-da! The new improved Extra Super Awesome Obstacle Course. I knew you everyone will do the right way. So I made a new course with something special for you, everyone. Come check it out. Rebecca, did you like the new Zoom Zone? It's cooler. Welcome to the Peeping Box. No more steam, no more smoke, just... Well done, Harry. You peeped while settling this boss. The peep is the fun. Is there a part of a course for you? It sure was, Henry. Percy, Did you like the straight line? It's cooler. I bet you like the not so high heels. Yay! Get that! Yeah. Is there a part of course for you? And a course for you? Yeah. Absolutely. Let's go. Jump! 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 Yes! Epic! Perfect landing. Everyone having fun. It's the road.